How to use Economical Home Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Economical home insurance is trusted by many Canadians, but homeowners often make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Standard policies may not fully cover rebuilding costs, especially with rising construction expenses. Review your policy regularly to ensure it reflects your home's current value and contents. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Economical includes personal liability, but lowering limits to save money can leave you vulnerable if someone is injured on your property or if you cause accidental damage elsewhere. Failing to update your policy is another frequent error. Renovations, major purchases, or moving can change your coverage needs. Not informing Economical could result in denied or reduced claims. Overlooking discounts is another costly mistake. Economical offers savings for bundling home and auto policies, installing security devices, and maintaining a claims-free history. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Economical Home Insurance Canada. Ensure your coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and your peace of mind.